first step is, well, this is leaking already. Couldn't stop it. The shut off. This is a real easy job for me because this shut off here is right there. Sometimes you have to look for it. Wherever your shut off, main shut off is, shut it off like that. Then I got 2 wrenches. One to hold it, the other one to take the faucet off. I hold it and put pressure the opposite way, like this. This is going to turn that way to take it off. So this one I'm gonna hold this so this won't break. So I'm not gonna move it at all. I'm just gonna hold it, put pressure on it so that it will not move at all. So now this is PVC pipe. It'll break very easily and it's not that hard to take off. So now taking it off, it's loose, and there it is. That's it. Now I'm gonna go to the hardware store, get me one of these. They'll tell me what size this is, and I need some Teflon tape. Teflon tape on this. This is gonna screw in this way. So I want my tape to go this way, so that when I screw it in, the threads will not push the tape back. So the tape has to go this way, so going this way, this is going to turn that way. So I go this way, this way. I'm not doing a very good job here, but here we go. 1, 2, got 2, I don't want it to bunch up. About 3 or 4 turns, maybe. Kind of bunching it up too much. Alright. That's good enough. Okay. Alright, so now I put it in here. Put it in. Now hold it. Hold it. Tighten it up. Not too tight. That's good enough. I don't want it too tight. Okay, now I'm going to check. Any leaks? No leak. Great. Okay. So that's how you fix a faucet when you change it out.